Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy Christmas in July project. This is the 5th project in my Christmas in July series, and I do this every year. So for those of you who don't know or are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share, because all those things really help my channel. And yeah, I appreciate it so much, so thank you. This is just a small box I'm sharing today. It is actually 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 inches tall. This in here has 8 Ghirardellis, and you can fit even more in there. So these are the regular size Ghirardelli. I'm not going to open it. I'll show you when I make the other one how they stack in there, and it's pretty heavy, and it's be a really cute little gift. You know, like for a coworker, a teacher, anything like that, it would be really cute. So we are not making this color. We are making a different one. You know how I like to change it up, but we're using the same designer series paper and the same stamp set. And this one says Wrapped with Love. So yeah, I'm using the same stamp set I used the other day because it is one of my favorite, and I know I'm going to get a ton of use out of it. It is called Naughty and Nice, and yeah, this is what we're making today. Super quick and easy one to do. All right, so this is the stamp set that we're using. It's such a good one, y'all. It's such a good one, and this is an online exclusive. You can get it now. Our holiday catalog doesn't come out for a little bit over a month yet. And then this is the designer series paper I'm using. This one is the Iconic Celebrations, and this is also an online exclusive. All the holiday stuff are online exclusives right now. And then I'm just using the stylish shapes for the circles to cut out the little sentiment in the background I created for it. All right, so that's everything. Let's go ahead and stamp first. I am using Mossy Meadow today, and I am using this. I love this for packaging. I think this is such a cute one for Christmas. So we are using that today. All right, let me get my mat here, and we're just gonna stamp the little, we're not doing any coloring or anything. That's why I said this is super quick and easy. So we're going to stamp this. I wanted to stamp it in Mossy Meadow, but my Mossy Meadow is dry. I'm got an order in for another one. So yeah, I'm just using diversifying for this. All right, so I am using the small stylish shape for this to cut this one out. And then I'm just gonna cut this smaller so I can run these both through at the same time. And then I'm using a scrap piece of Mossy Meadow here, and we're just going to cut out the larger circle. And I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll bring it right back and we'll get started on the box. Okay, so here's our little Mossy Meadow piece and our sentiment. They are both stitched, by the way. I'm going to just use some wet glue. We're going to attach it and get it ready to go. Before we do the box, I want to talk about the mystery box that I am selling on my blog. You can order it off of there. I'm going to use my 1/8 inch, which I have one of this one's not available through Stampin'Up anymore, but there is one linked in the description below. I use this a lot. All right, so that tag is ready to go. And let me talk about the mystery box for just a second before we do the box. And I'm going to set this out here. So the mystery box is $50, but y'all, you're getting a super deal on this because you're going to have at least 6, maybe 7 stamp sets in here. They're all gently used, except for there's one in there that has never been used. So every box gets one that has never been used. I'm filling it with designer series paper, 6 by 6, some embellishments, and some ribbon. So I'm going to show you a box I have ready. I've had a couple people order 2 boxes already, but look at this box, y'all. It is a medium priority mail. It cost me $18.40 to send this box. I've already talked about this. So I'm not making much on this box at all, but I want it to go to a loving home. So I want someone to really appreciate it and love it. And that's why I'm doing this. I'm destashing, and that's why I'm doing it so cheap. So, yeah, this has got designer series paper, some embellishments, the ribbon on the side here. If it has a punch or dies, and if I have that to go with the stamp set, I am going to send that as well. So you're also getting those. But yeah, this is one full box. This is going to someone, and I haven't labeled it or anything yet, but yeah. And it's a good size box. I have some left. So if you are interested, go to my blog. Up at the top it says mystery boxes for sale. Click on that and then you can order it right there. All right, let's get on with the box. So this piece is 10.5 by 6. And then the designer series paper to mat it, you're going to need 4 that are 2 7/8 by 1 7/8 and one that's 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. And by the way, I have an inspiration sheet on my blog that you can download and print. Most of you already know that, but I know I get new people all the time, so I always need to repeat that. All right, so on the 10.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2, 2.5, 5.5, and 7.5. And then you are going to turn it, and we are going to score it at 2 and 4. Okay, so that is it. So what we're going to do here is, this is the 1/2 inch piece here. I hope you can see this. I know this is a little dark. This is the 1/2 inch side. I'm going to cut it a little bit less than halfway down to the first score mark and then cut down. You know I'm making flaps for the inside. You know I love making flaps for the inside. I just think it looks so much more clean and more professional. And then we're going to do the same on this side. Don't worry about the size being just right. It is just, it'll hold the lid up also, which I really like. If you want to make them, you know, try to make them even and all that, you can do all that. I usually do, but you don't have to be super picky with that part. All right, so on the sides, you're just going to cut in the sides here to the first score mark. And I'm cutting in on these because these are pretty big. And I'm also going to cut some of this off here just to take some of the bulk out of it. Do the same on this side. And again, I'm going to take a little bit off of here. All right, that is going to be it. So this is what it's going to look like. Now we're going to sharpen our score marks here. And then we have it all ready to go. So in this top part, I didn't cut in here, which I usually do. It makes that go in a little bit more in the top of the box. All right, now we're ready to put it together. I'm going to use Seal Plus for this. So, when you're going to put it on these little ones first. We're going to just pull these up, line those up. And it's nice because you can make sure you have it nice and square by just laying it flat like that. And then these, I've been having a lot of problems with my seal. The last couple ones that I got, I don't know why, but they're giving me a hard time. All right, and then we're going to just pull these up and line those up. And then your flaps. I'll make sure your bottom is straight. Didn't have my bottom straight there. Y'all, I'm picky about these things. So make sure the bottom is straight there. then this side too. I'm going to put a little bit of wet glue in here because being I pulled it apart there, it's not going to want to stick. And I still didn't get it. I'm going to just trim a little bit right here because I didn't get it straight. I'm using this box gel, so I want it to be nice and straight and just right. All right. Just fold those over and then your box will close like that. All right, now we're going to mat it. I'll use just wet glue for this. This also has some blue in it, and it is Misty Moonlight. I just noticed it has Misty Moonlight in it. But yeah, it's pretty. This is really pretty. But it's really cute to just look like a little package. And then the last one goes on the top. Make sure you got it going on the top the right way. It's like that. I could have used Misty Moonlight, but I like the green better, I think, for Christmas. All right, so there it is. Now, I wanted to show you how these Ghirardellis fit inside. I have 3 here. I didn't have a whole lot left. So you're just going to set it inside, drops right down inside. And I'm telling you, I had fit 8 in there, and I think I could have fit like 1 more. Just like that. And then we're going to put our ribbon on. And I'm going to do something a little bit different with the ribbon, because I really wanted Mossy Meadow ribbon, and I didn't have any. So what you do is you just make your own. And I already started it right here. So you just can color your ribbon with a Stamp and Blend. So, and this dries really quickly. So you just run the edge on there. Don't use your point, but just run the edge on there of your blend, because you can mess up the tip if you use the point. So just use the edge, and then just flip it, do the other side, and then you'll be done. Let me see if that's enough to go around. I really wanted it to be, no, I'm going to need it longer because I'm tying a bow. So let's do more. But if you don't have the right color ribbon and you have the blends, this is a really good little tip, because I love that you can color the ribbon. And this ribbon is the cream ribbon. It's our new bordered ribbon, but it's in basic beige. This is one of our new colors, a neutral. I'm going to do a little bit more just in case. Flip that over and we'll do the other side. Some ribbons you don't even have to do the other side. It goes right through to the end. This one's a pretty thick ribbon, so you do have to do both sides. All right, that's it. We're gonna put our ribbon on here. Ah, it's cute. I really like the colored ribbon on it. Hopefully I have enough to do a bow. Yes, we have enough. We have plenty to do a bow. I got that a little twisted there. There we go. Let's cut these ends. I need to sharpen these. I know Hobby Lobby does it. I need to take mine over there. Look how cute this little bow is. And then I'm using this Natural Tones linen thread. I'm going to use, I think this is supposed to be Cajun Craze or Cherry, I don't think it's Cherry Cobbler. I use this one on the other one, but I'm going to grab the green. I could use, you know what, let's use the blue one, because it does have Misty Moonlight in it. And I always have a hard time getting these started. How many of you have a hard time getting these things started? I don't know what it is. I never can find the end. I always have to make my own little end. And to unravel it, sometimes it does this where it gets caught. But I don't know what it is. I just can never, I guess that's the end right there. We'll just wrap this one around. I'm just going to cut a little bit off. This is just for our tag. And then we're just going to tie this on with the tag. This is my favorite one, y'all. I already made up my mind. Tell me which one's your favorite. Because I love the Mossy Meadow ribbon with this gift wrap look. And then just gonna cut that off. And when you use this the blends, your ribbon's a little bit thicker. You can kind of fluff that ribbon up, and it's really cute. So there you have it. Here's the other one. This one's Cherry Cobbler, but it's the same Designer Series paper, just a different pattern. Isn't that cute? And it fits a ton of Ghirardellis. This would be a great teacher's gift, I think, or a coworker or a nursing home. They would love these. So it fits a lot. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can please use my hostess code if you place an order. I'd really, really appreciate it. All right, thank you so much, everyone. I hope you all have a blessed day. Don't forget, bonus days is going on, too. For every $50 you spend, you get a $5 coupon to spend in August. So it's a really good deal and gives you a discount for next month. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.